State lawmakers want to give police more altitude to do their work, as State House Bureau Chief David Williams reports. That has to do with drones in the air to fight crime.
Fort Wayne State Rep Bob Morris wants police to be able to fly a drone over a crime scene without a search warrant.
This bill is needed for public safety.
More and more police departments are launching drones. Evansville's police department regularly use theirs.
Our aerial assets allow us to operate day or night, providing high-definition video and still photos. Our thermal camera allows us to locate missing persons or fleeing suspects in nearly all conditions.
But there's some gray area.
The way the law is currently written, we're not able to effectively use what we've got.
Which is where State Rep Bob Morris's bill comes in. He argues police would, for example, use a drone over a highway crash site that becomes a crime scene, or use a drone during large public events.
The best example to use here is parades and large venues, outdoor concerts that are happening. That they can lift up this drone and have surveillance of what is going on and making sure that people are protected.
In the interest of public safety for those planned events, we would like the ability under an exception to be able to use the drone without seeking a search warrant every time.
Wednesday, Indiana's Public Defenders Council raised concerns.
You can probably imagine these devices will be used more in the inner cities than they will be in the rural counties. We just generally have concern about domestic surveillance. Not to get too Orwellian, but obviously the concerns you can imagine we have are there.
Morris insists you wouldn't have to worry.
Right now, this bill respects our Fourth Amendment rights, which is search and seizure.
Police in Fort Wayne and Evansville are showing their support for the bill.
This is why I'm speaking to you today, so that our laws are in line with our needs, so that we can quickly deploy our assets to perform our jobs. The bill passed committee this morning. It now heads to the House floor. This controversial conversation is not over. In the State House, I'm David Williams, Wish TV News 8.